So welcome to the our this 5 days Ikigai book chewing workshop. Why I call chewing? Before we go for the Saturday Sunday the main session, I just want to give you the real context of this Ikigai. There are 3 or 4 books are available now, and this was the first book which actually introduced, and it was exactly the use as the testimonial for the Ikigai concept. Ikigai is a very old concept, but exactly. Um, what's actually brought by the Mr. Gracia, and it was become a what you can call as the what a famous. And this word has a lot of deep meaning. Anyway, we'll go to that all meanings and everything. But my concentration here is to really have the brainstorm on this 21 pages review of your what exactly we learn out of these 21 pages. It is very easy, very nice to and easy to grasp book exactly. This is a Japanese secrets to the long and happy life. So if you ask me, this is something very beautiful things. See, everybody want long life and happy life, healthy life. So this is what exactly we're going to learn now. So the book starts with the first and the most important message. And this is called as a Japanese verb. I hope everybody just went through it exactly. So in chat box, just type if you really went through this 21 pages. And this is the first probe, and this is the mind-blowing thing. Only staying active will make you want to live 100 years. So by sitting on the chair and just using the laptop, there are nowhere the chances that we'll really, get something, or we can really have that massive, healthy, happy, and beautiful life. So this was the first. Then second part, which was like a very interesting, and this is what I just took it from the book directly. What Mr. Hector Gracia and Francis want to show you in a nutshell. So nurturing friendship, eating light, getting enough rest, and doing regular modern exercise. This is the one part of the good health. That's what we discuss every time. That's what we discuss every time, and we ask. And this is the one part of that one. But there is a second part in this one. And that is what is exactly called as the Ikigai. Another part of the Ikigai is that finding out that purpose, or finding out that mission, finding out that particular, the life you want to live. Maybe compared to my all last 5-6 workshop, the approach in the coming workshop is quite different. So we want to going through how the real Ikigai, something very deep, actually something very deep. It is not only your career or the it's not only that 4 questions that we'll see now exactly. So who discovered their Ikigai have everything need for a long and joyful journey through the life. So that is very important part. So everybody's with me, just raise your hand. If you really with me, you can raise your hand. Very important thing. This is the journey, and please welcome to this particular journey. Any point of time, if you have any questions, either you can unmute and just ask. But we are not trying to understand each and everything now. We are going to have that beautiful 6 hours of massive deep workshop, like a 2 days of the immersion completely. But I'm just giving you the context. So you will be, prepare. Every day I'm going to give some exercise to all of you, and we'll be prepared exactly. So thank you, Priti. So this is what exactly the everywhere talks about. This is based on the diagram by the Mark Twain, actually. But I'm telling you honestly, actually, this was my favorite diagram, and I work on this one left and right. All the courses in the world talks about this is the final diagram of Ikigai. No, but Ikigai diagram or the Ikigai is a little bit beyond this one. It is very important because here there is some twist. But exactly as of now, if you just want to understand what is the purpose of life, it's very simple. See, one thing is very important. That's what there is a beautiful proverb. When you make your passion as your career, when you make your passion as a career, then it's like every day is just like living your passion. Every day is a game. It's every day is like I'm playing. Why? Because you are doing the things which you really love. That's it. Okay, we're going to go in the depth of this diagram in the coming days. So I'm not explaining you everything now here. We are going to do a lot of exercise. We are going to do a lot of questionnaires on this particular diagram around that one. And we have the new Venn diagram, which actually give the more deeper meaning of the Ikigai. So let's see on that part. Okay, now this is again part of my naturopathy workshop, and even the immune booster workshop or the diabetic reversal workshop, whatever we do. And this is a very beautiful concept. There are actually a 7 blue zone, but the 5 one, which is a very famous one. And in that one, the Ikigai concept came from the Japan, and it is very favorite into the place called as Okinawa. Now in Okinawa, there is a people who lives like 100 years, and even that 100 years they are very healthy, they are very happy, they are joyful, and they are working on everything. So these are the blue zones. And these blue zones have a very peculiar like a common criteria. So there is a lot of studies are there. So that is one important things exactly that people are missing in the nowadays, because they feel that social media is everything. Approval on the social media or everything on the social media will be transform your life. But no, my friends. Actually, very common things find out in this one. Either they are the like Ireland, where not the all resources are very easily available. So that's what they help each other and they bond a community. There is a like they always smile. They always have a strong social ties. So that is a broad circle of the friends and good family relationship. This is the one of the missing link actually, which was exactly people think is okay. It's not only the good food, good exercise, and like the pure air or pure water. There is something beyond that one. It's a deep concept altogether. Okay, now this is something interesting now. These are the two concepts. I just want to ask now, instead of I told you, either you can unmute and tell me before you have done this one particular part. Then this is a concept, Hara Hachibu. What is Hara Hachibu? So either you can just
80% of your hunger.
very good,
80%
awesome,
ही खाना है. Yes.
absolutely fine, very good, Priti. So that's what is exactly it's in our Ayurveda. There is a beautiful things is told exactly. See, this is nothing new, but everything is lost. Actually,
Yes.
India is a diabetic capital, heart problem, cancer, accident, corruption, whatnot. In happiness index, we are not even first 100. We are 115 out of the 180 countries. It's the country which is given people, like reasons. It started with who am I? What is purpose of my life? Search for happiness. Vedas, Upanishads, the land of the diversity. But now today, what is exactly? They're not. In Ayurveda, you told that one. See, exactly when you make a feast of your both the hands like this way. So whatever is exactly is there, that is the food you require. And if you just put that both the palm on your hand, that is your stomach size. So if you are thin, this will be small. If you are like a very fat, it will be like a little bit bigger. But still, that is what exactly you want, and that much is the food you really require. And there is a second concept that is a movie. I already told you about that one, and that concept is very very important. So that concept is exactly about a connection. So there is a lot of different tradition these people do. If you really read the book, you are with me. You'll understand why how they create a like a group of people, how they have the like accountability system there, how they gather the money and all together exactly there. Yeah, so that is something very interesting. So this is what is exactly nothing but a social connections and the social contribution. So this is very very important, my friends. So please understand how much to eat and how the social connection has to happen. That is what exactly was the very very important part of this one. And exactly if you go to the next pages, there is some 4 principles we talk about that one. Anti-aging secrets. That's what. It's not important. The like it's not only the years. The quality of life is matters. How many of you are agree? Right? Raise your hand. The quality of life is really really matter. If there is no quality of the life, then what is the fine? Like you're just adding the years to the life and it's no use. So now little things that add up to a long, healthy, and happy life. So there is concept of the aging escape velocity. So will like this is something very interesting. How the concept of the aging is happen. Active mind, youthful body. So that's what is there. You are like in your what you can call as the in only healthy body. Sorry, yeah, only healthy body, healthy mind will be there, and only if you are the healthy mind, you will be of the healthy body. So it is like a in each other. Tomorrow we're going to detailedly study about the stress. And now stress is a little bit stress is always good. But actually in the modern world, exactly we are stressful for everything. 24 hours the media, we required WhatsApp, we required everything. We are just completely, like a part of the whole things to just see what exactly is there in the WhatsApp, Facebook, like or like a Slack or whatever it is there. And that is the biggest problem of these particular things. Please remember this diagram will be repeated every day. These are the 10 principles of the Ikigai and by heart them. This is the cycle. Find your Ikigai, stay active, don't retire. Take it slow. Don't fill your stomach. That is what is we talk about now, 80% feeling. Surround yourself with a good friend. That is a social, Mayo. Get in the shape for your next birthday. That's why they actually throw the challenge to themselves exactly. That next birthday, there'll be no tone. There'll be no any type of belly fats. They'll be very fine. And then smile. Then reconnect with the nature. Very important. Give thanks, gratitude. Live in the moment and find your ikigai. And just keep on is that. And please, there is no hurry to find your ikigai. The moment and the day comes, you will find out your ikigai. And guys, that's it. Your purpose in life is to find your purpose and give your whole heart and soul to it. That's it. And this is what a beautiful part. So we'll take 2 or 3 questions. We have 3 minutes more. So anybody has any questions or doubt, please let me know. So awesome. So thanks, Simon, Jagdish, Durvadas ji, Archana, Priti, Vienna. So thank you very much. So anybody has any questions, unmute and ask. So we have 3 minutes more exactly. So thank you guys. This is awesome. And keep on reading the book. That will give you more perspective. I just try to give the summary and the push that you at least read the book. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So let me just see. Let me say, anybody has any question, please let me know. We'll definitely take the, if anybody, we have 2 or 3 minutes more. So anybody has any questions, please let me know.
Yeah, Rakesh, can you show that last 10-point diagram so that we can write it down?
Okay, as of now, I just close the presentation. If I go back there, it will be go, but I will share that one into the group.
I
will
will
share
share,
that.
sir.
I will
have
share the
taken a
slide.
screenshot.
Okay, or I will share the same slides into the this one. So I will share the all the slides in the this one, whatever we learn. So at least people who are not joined, they can do it.
You said to
Memorize it, yeah.
So,
Memorize it exactly. I can say tell you all of the 10 them exactly, but I'll share in the slide in the group also, so you
Right,
can just take it down.
thank you.
Thank you,
so much.
thank you, Durodas ji. Thank you. Vienna, here's the question. So let me just go to the Vienna. So anyone which has a question, please unmute and quickly ask me. So we have 2 minutes more. Get prepared, my dear friend. Please understand that one. This is a journey that you are starting. Now, if you read this book and if you really go, I'll tell you your life will be changed completely. And you will be the most beneficial of this program. See, only these 6 hours, definitely I'll give my best. And even in the past, just by 4 hours also, it's create a miracle. But there is no doubt about that 6 hours will create miracle. But if you really go with this book, I'll tell you, this is one of the best book actually to read. And at the end, what is important? At the end, it is nothing but the healthy, happy, prosperous, and fulfilling life. And in life, only one thing we carry. So I'll just tell you only one thing we carry in the life, and that is called as the experience. That is called as the experience. Not any materialistic possession, but the experience. And you know, like we require a lot of time materialistic possessions to create experience, but not every time. And that is what is Ikigai. If you ask me, Ikigai is that one, this is the one thing you die for. One thing that makes you to, you know, like not to sleep. That one thing that makes you to wake up early morning with so much of energy and take you to the next level. So this is what is the Ikigai. So thank you guys. God bless you all. Thanks for joining the call. Then see you all of tomorrow, exactly the same time with the 22 to 42. We have to cover these pages. Thanks you all the best. See you then exactly. Get prepared for the Saturday session. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah.